Hi, it's me, Dylan. Welcome to my world. As promised, this is going to be part 2. So today I'm going to finish up what I wanted to do. Run the throttle cables, run the harness, the gauges, and start up the motors for you guys. I have about 2.5 hours of sunlight left. So let's head over there and get working. Okay guys, so I'm here and I have everything pretty set up and ready to go. So that's the harness for that engine, and that's the harness for this engine. I'm gonna access it from here. And what I plan to do is, I have a piece of cord here. I'm gonna tape this on the end of the harness. I have an existing cable in here, an old one that I'm gonna replace. So I'm just gonna use this as a fish tape basically, to fish the wires and stuff up in there. So it's gonna tie it on that, and I'm gonna pull that from the front up there, and that should pull through all of the harness going through the tunnel. Is to get the cable, the harness. So I want these, essentially I want them up at the top there, the console. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape these up on the old cable that I'm gonna pull through the middle. I think that's this one here. So I'm gonna pull this harness through, plus the cord that I want. I know they sell a special thing for fishing the wire. I think it's called a fish tape, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to use the means that I have. And this should be good enough to get these cables through. I'm just going to pull enough slack through here so it isn't hard for me to get it through. So here's the wire. Pull this. That should be pulling the cable straight through. It's a little hard and I don't want to tear anything, so I'm gonna go from in the inside there so I can get a better feel for it. So I finally got it through. Here it is. So this is for the engine on that side. That's all good to go. Pull that, leave that there, and we're gonna do the next engine. So as I mentioned, I have this card attached, so it's run through the front, and I have a good lot of length, so I'm just gonna use this as a central fish tape for the boat going forward in the future. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna tape the other harness onto this and pull this through, and I'll do the same procedure for the throttle cables. Alright guys, so successfully ran the harness. That was a challenge. I'm sorry it took so long, but anyhow, so I'm going to hook up the ignitions, and I'm going to install the smart crafts for them as well. This is trashy. This is awful work, man. Anyhow, it is what it is. I need to start. Oh, this isn't going to be able to go here. because the binnacle is going to go in here. Yep, we're going to have to relocate the key switch. We're going to have to fill all of those holes. Hey guys, so I am done. Well, not completely finished, but the harness is ran, the ignition is set up, binnacles is set up. I just need to run the trawler cables, but however, I can start the motors. So just watch out for that. Yeah, so I just need, yep. So the last piece of the puzzle is the cables for the throttle. Just select the gear and throttle, and I will be done. So part 3 would be with me installing the throttle cables and taking the boat for a spin. Thanks for watching.